fall. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roll it off.
I know I won't kill you, but I know what you like.
Hey y'all, today is Sunday, it's April 28th. I'm about to get ready because today is a beach day and I'm so happy, y'all. I ain't been to the beach in so long. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to the beach. We're going with my sister and my cousin. My sister's birthday is coming up and this is what we're doing for her birthday. And I'm just getting myself together. I'm about to brush my teeth and I'm gonna wash my hair because it's just really dry and I could just let it air dry, like I won't be at the beach and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that, get ready, and then let's go have a beach day. Alright y'all, so I'm basically done getting ready. I just wanted to do something to my face. Not that I had to like put on no makeup or anything, but I just wanted to, cause we're not getting in the water. Like, we're not getting in the water. So we're just gonna be chilling on the sand and stuff like that. So I just wanted to look cute in case I want to take some pictures or whatever. And I did wash my hair. I blow dried it a little bit so it wouldn't be like drenched, but it's still real damp, so my shoulder's wet. And I got on this purple bathing suit and I actually want a black one, so I think we're gonna stop by Walmart because we got to get some snacks and stuff anyway, and some little extra little things that we want to bring out there. So if they got a black bathing suit, then I'm probably put on a black bathing suit instead. And y'all, I just did the little blushy thingy. That's really eyeshadow, but I don't have no blush because I'm not really a blush girl. But I wanted to see like what it would look like. I think with my skin color, that little combo I just did, it just made me look peachy or something. I don't know, y'all. I just be trashy. I just did my edges a little bit. And let's do a length check real quick. From a fresh wash. No retwist. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my sister to come pick me up. And then we're gonna head out. With the top down. Yeah.
Honestly, it came about with me just spraying all the toxicity in today's music. You know, we trying to show females that.
I don't even know if this shit bright or not.
Even though I found your pretty ass out of mobile. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill.
All right, y'all, we made it to the beach. And how about we brought a tent? And we we carried that tent all the way to the spot we was gonna be at. Anyone no cover on it. It was just the legs. So we had to bring it all the way back to the car. But we got an inflatable pool thing that we're gonna put out there so everything won't get sandy. And just chill. It feels so good. It's not even like that hot for real. It's windy and it just feels so relaxing. It ain't that crowded.
Oh, you telling me not that to do.
Okay.
Hold
You
on.
wanna trade?
Okay. Cause I can't see nothing. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Like this, yeah. That might be better. You just have to cut us.
Baby, that wind's gonna take me and the pool.
I'm gripping the inside with my.
That's what I was trying to do.
What she said?
She said, y'all good.
Hell no.
Somebody do it. Somebody do it.
Don't rush to the hill, Jan.
I'm blocking my face. I should. We made it, Katie. It just took forever. As long as that took.
Thank you. I think it got some sand got in the fruit.
Let's just rinse it off with water.
I'm not sure.
Is it a lot?
It's just on the lid,
Oh, okay.
but I don't know if any. I don't look like it got inside.
Oh. It should be sealed.
Right. We would hope.
So it is big enough for like 2 people. Okay.
Alrighty.
In there.
Probably gonna be like, boy, y'all crazy. We finally made it with the pool. And I was set up. We got some games. We got some fruit, we got some drinks, and we just gonna chill.
The one felt good though.
We gotta do it.
Like banana. Smell like banana flavor. I just thought that was so long.
Just like that. I'll be with as a butter girl. It's probably fun.
Yeah, it's probably fun.
And then we could just cheers.
More nice.
Ready? Happy birthday! My bad.
You did it? Oh, I went for the waterfall at the bottom. Ooh, that's good.
Like, I feel like that's gonna be really good mixed with that.
It's. I feel like Katie.
That is good.
The taste, like the flavor, but the burn, I don't like.
Yeah, the burn. It's the burn. It's the burn.
You're good to me.
Y'all know what people be doing.
I'm not gonna.
Two.